But the one that important is comment over here and track change over here. So comment basically allow you to, like this one, you're not sure whether the alignment is correct or not. You can add comment. So basically highlight the text or the object and then new comment over here. And then again, if you're logged in, there'll be your name over here that identify that, okay, I am the one that add the comment. After you're done, you control enter or post here. You can even edit them later. Yep. So this will not show up in the main document, but it will be visible. So this, once you have the comment, you need to be careful about printing. So printing by default also print the comment. If you don't want that, you need to uncheck print markup, and then it will. So there are this markup, the comment markup, and the track change markup. Yeah, if you want to just print the document, you uncheck that. So this is helpful. First, it highlight that part for your collaborator, classmate mostly, to see, and others can answer and maybe do something about this. Like, okay, maybe even reminding yourself to come back later. I see this is not properly aligned. I set the alignment. Then I maybe keep note that so for this to work, everyone need to access the same copies, or maybe you can pass it around on email, or you can save the file online and share that file that I will show later. Okay, so so this is comment. So, and then with comment, you can review comment, you can delete comment. Maybe I'm done with this, I can delete the comment. It's gone. So I can navigate the comment, see different comment, and so on. Lastly is track change. So right now, if you make change, that change will happen right away, like if I type in the word and so on. That happened right away. But sometimes when you are collaborating with others, you will want others to see what change you have made and whether you agree and whether they agree with that change or not. In that case, you can use this track change features. View track change. Just check on it, it will be toggle. And once you do that, any change you make will be marked like this to identify that. So these are two different ones. So when you add a word, they appear like that. There are some information as well. Who did what? Delete. It will not be delete right away. Just put in this strike through text. And Arthur can agree or disagree with the change later. So this is another markup. So there are two types of markup. All markup will appear like this. Simple markup, on the other hand, will just have this. You can unclick to see the text. There are reviewing pane like this, so there are what have been changed and so on. And then for the change, for each change, Arthur can review and either go to each change, either agree with the change. So if I agree with the change will become permanent. Like that. So I agree with hello world, hello world will become permanent. Maybe not if it delete again. If I agree with the deletion, the deletion will be permanent as well. I can also reject the change. If I reject the change, that change will not happen. So I reject the deletion here. So the deletion will not happen. Tracking change. Compare between different copies. So there are, like I mentioned, there are draw options that I can mark something. Under review, there are hiding over here. I can hide it. So you can use ink as a comment. But ink is also a graphical object, so I can move it around. I can set different wrap text option and so on. These are track review tab, collaboration, put in comment, and you can put in comment. You can make sure to mark what you want to comment first. Like that. You can delete comment. You can traverse through comment. Even when you're not showing comment, the comment will be marked here, so you can click on it to see what it's about later. Talk about tracking change, so that basically mark the change for Arthur to see and agree, accept the change, or disagree, reject the change. Lastly, in order to collaboration to be 100% as useful as possible, everyone need to be working on the same copy of the file at the same time. You can email them around, but at that point it'll be confusing to make sure everything is up to date.